Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap. Today is Tuesday, January 15th. Yeah, I haven't really been day trading. I've been really focused on swing trading, but since earnings season is upon us, I will be focused now on trading the open and primarily swing trading. So I'm going to be trading the open and swing trading, writing the trends for a few days. Um, today I was looking at SHAK. That was my main watch, and mainly because it had a beautiful run up yesterday on above average volume, showing that this is supported by the big boys. And when I mean big boys, institutional ownership, institutional buying. And you can see that on the daily chart, you're seeing this beautiful bottoming process, beautiful cup base, whatever you want to call it. There's this legitimate breakout here from an area of consolidation, as you can see here, boom, and breaks out on above average volume. That tells you right there that the move is real. These are big boys buying this stock. Um, and so that piqued my interest. I was already watching this, but I want you to notice what happened today, this morning. There was news, and this isn't a coincidence, guys. Um, I've seen this time and time again. The institutions are getting in, and then there's news that comes out to pump the stock, right? They're pumping, they're getting the retailers to buy the stock after the institutions have gotten in, and they're going to do a nice little run up, and then they're going to sell into the strength into the retailers who are chasing the stock. So let me show you the news that came out this morning, 6 a.m. Right? So you can see that. Goldman Sachs is really bullish on Shake Shack, sees an 80% rally because of an exclusive Grubhub deal, right? So it's not a coincidence, guys, that the institutions are already in this stock and now they're pumping it. And so I knew that this was going to be very, very strong for my favorite strategy, which is that gap and go, right? So look at this at the open. Oh, I had that daily already. Gapped up. It was up 3%, finding my levels here. So I noticed in pre-market, look in pre-market here, pre-market highs, 15 minutes going into the open, it broke above that pre-market high and was just holding it. It became support, right? And so right at the open, that first minute, nothing going on. Then immediately this thing drops, gets bought right back up, so bullish, shoots up. I go long, set my stop right there. You can see that bullish volume bar on that 1 minute candle. I had an order to sell 75% at 2 to 1. I immediately got filled, set my stop at break even. And once I saw this thing just immediately shoot back up, get back to this level here, 68.29. Where did I get that level? Show you on the daily here. Let me pull up oops. Let me pull up the daily. As you can see, here's that 68.29 right over here. You can see that area of consolidation. See that right there, 68.29 right here. Boom. You see that consolidation breaks out, comes back, retests that resistance, becomes support, and then it off to the races, right? And so that's where I got that level, and it coincided with my 2 to 1. But I want you to notice pulls back. 5 minutes is still very, very bullish. Pulls back, I add it to my position. And then also you're noticing, look at this beautiful ABCD pattern. So run up, consolidation, up, right? And yeah, I had this level here, so I basically started selling into strength here. And yeah, I really wanted to get to that 71.70, see if we can break that level. That level here on the daily is that area of the gap down. So you can see this gap down, beautiful gap down, sells off. This was news related. The highs of this candle is 71.70, and you can see this here, 71.74. And I knew that if this was strong, this had a real big possibility to get there. And you can see other traders and other people had their order right there, because look at this beautiful shooting star. Once I saw that, I felt like this party could be over. It could possibly get back up there, but I don't have the time to be waiting for that. So once I saw this was like the first legitimate shakeout candle. I took majority of my shares off there, and once it broke the 20 MA, I just got all out. So yeah, this ended up being a really, really good mover. Nice gap and go, gaps up 3%, and then off to the races. And yeah, and be on the lookout, for the institutional institutions buying the stock, because you're like a little crustacean on a whale, just riding that whale. the big boys. And yeah, you can get these massive moves. So um, I also had a couple day trades yesterday. I took 2 day trades yesterday. Didn't have time to make a video, but let me go ahead and let me pull that up. Had 2 trades and I haven't traded in a while, so I took a trade. Let me see here. So I had a trade on SDC here, and yeah, this is pre-market high. You know, it broke above pre-market high, came back, bounced immediately off there. I took it long, and it ended up being a scalp. I scalped it, trying to get those cobwebs out. And then I had a nice trade on APHA for a 5 minute opening range breakup. Again, earnings play. These are earnings, so beautiful 5 minute range. Boom, got long. Stop my stop right here, and you can also see that beautiful ABCD pattern, right? A B C D. So rip up, consolidate, boom. So I got long here, had my stop right there. So yeah, those were my trades yesterday. And yeah, I'm thinking about starting to do a market recap, a weekly market recap where I go over the general indices, market conditions, stocks that I'm watching for swing trading. Yeah, let me know what you guys think and what you guys want to hear. If you guys think that the idea is great, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to hear. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or anything like that, feel free to leave them at the bottom. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good trading day, everyone.